What's up, everybody? Today I'm playing Skyblock, and I just also I'm playing with raylene again. I'm actually a fast. Wait, I'm just going to do this. Okay. Oh wait, I'm actually going to say. I'm doing a bit. I'm just gonna do. I'm just.
Oh, I almost shot that. I almost shot it.
Mateo, you want to kill
I
it?
see. No.
Okay.
But you said that you
Oh my god.
wanted 15 pellets. And they accidentally ate one. So you want
No, I have 28. I have 28 now. Go inside.
Oh my god.
Oh my
this kid,
god.
This guy, who is he guarding? We can't see him.
Mateo, you like my tree farm? Come over here.
Oh my god. I mean,
Wait.
he can't guard.
raylene, I can't visit your island.
What?
I can't visit your island.
I can visit yours. Oh, sorry.
Kakabala. Bababala.
I think you're my cousin, so I can have build mode on for you. And the thing we
Oh.
both have.
What?
Mateo, where are you?
Huzzah! Wait, what? Where are you?
I gotta guard.
Where are
There
you?
two people that gave you.
No, anything called belly seeds? Belly seeds?
Oh, you actually need to get bushes until you get
Yeah.
you
I know, but
actually
you can't guard two people.
get.
I had to guard the big.
raylene, there. Look, raylene, I got you more seeds.
Thanks.
Well, how far?
Wait, raylene. Actually, you should make separate things for each one of these.
Yeah, legit so far.
I know, I am doing it.
Where? No, I meant build more. No, look. I would just.
Mateo, no, not Mateo. That's what my tree farm is gonna be. Over here, okay? Thanks.
raylene, no! raylene, no!
Oh,
No.
I didn't know you could do that.
You left the flag.
Okay.
Step on. We were close though.
Okay, I'm gonna just get one more grass. Whee! I just got down. Ah!
Yeah, can you not make those noises?
Seeds. Flux. Boom, 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 shoot. Boom, 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 shoot, boom, shoot, beep, beep, boom, shoot. Beep, beep, boom, shoot, boom, beep, beep, boom, shoot. Okay, why did it go to my... I'm a visit raylene. raylene, don't be loud. No, there is not. 5 maple sapling.
Can you give me some wood?
Why won't you? Why won't you harvest the red flowers?
Because I like the
Anyways, you could plant more, and you could, if you have clay, you can make colorful clay. Tag, tag,
not saying.
tag, tag.
I'm not
Tag.
saying. Well,
Guys, raylene!
that's what you get.
Fine. Fine.
Okay, wait.
I won't give you anything.
Tail, I just gave you permission to build and go to my island.
Oh,
Wait, what did the... Raylene, can you be quiet, please? Oh yeah, also subscribe to my channel if you like this.
Sub. Or else, like I heard that, someone, okay, we're gonna go to the dog.
Okay, he done it. He's done. I'm just blocking this because
God.
they could cheat. Nothing. 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 Nothing.
No. I'm watching. Not mine.
Raylene, be quiet.
No.
Raylene, you're so.
Yay.
Raylene.
Yay.
Yeah, business is not good.
Level 1, level 2.
And Tail, where are my tomatoes? Oh, there they are. Thanks.
Oh yeah, also I kinda stole some, but I'm gonna give it back.
And you'll give it back.
Can you move him over there, Dad?
I don't have it, actually. I don't have it, for real. Look,
I saw you had tomatoes.
look. I only have tomato seeds.
And tomatoes. I saw tomatoes.
It's somewhere here. Somewhere here. Also, you can't kill me. Haha. You didn't do it.
I don't care.
This is so young joking.
No, it's a bad deal.
Yeah,
My
he was
island.
on my house playing as him. Like doing
Just give it
everything.
back.
Come to the basement. Oh. Come to the basement.
Why is someone not visit
Okay, bye. Boop. I need stone.
I'm watching, don't mind. Hiya, hiya.
Whee! Oh. Yay, yay. Yay, 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 yay. Oh. Ooh, ah! Is that satisfying?
Cool. Guys, I made a pizza. Wait, Mateo, are you still recording?
Yeah. 10. It's 10.
I made a pizza. If you want to be my friend, will follow me because I have no. Because I have max friends, you can follow me.
Also,
So, hey guys.
also make sure to like and hit that bell and hit that bell
Yeah. I think so.
and press that notification. I don't know. I don't know how to say it.
Press that notification button.
Yeah.
So you can get.
Robux. Just kidding. Just kidding. No Robux.
Tomatoes from me. If you want to make some,
If you want to friend me and Raylene, here's her. Look, here's my username.
My username is raylene. Okay, I'll go in the chat and then type it in. So there's no uppercases.
Okay.
There's three uppercases.
I should put stuff in here. Yeah, I should.
Okay, I'm gonna type my name. Because, okay. Okay, so Mateo.
Cool dude just invited me. Cool dude just invited me. Okay, I'm gonna go to his. Oh my god, he has. Oh my god. I just need pink sticky gear. I never got it. Ooh. Look how much berry bushes. Look how much berry bushes he has.
No, I can't harvest them.
Because he didn't give us permission. Oh! Wait, what's up there? Oh my god, he has a secret island. Up there. He has an island up there. See, look up there. Look up there.
Oh my
Ooh. Ooh, I'm just blah, 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 blah. Wait. Oh my god, Raylene. Raylene, help me. Help me. Raylene. Raylene, go down. Tell you.
Wait, Mateo. Cool dude person said, but your wings can do this. Wait. I can't fly though. He said that I can fly? How? How? I'm
Fast.
a hybrid.
Raylene, press